I mean, but it's a lot of plants, a lot of mature plants. We're not coming in installing Home Depot plants. Got some stuff for the pool crew, some upgrades. This is built up like 30 feet. So we've definitely put in the work over some years to build this place up. If you want to see how a multi-million-dollar outdoor renovation company runs, you came to the right place. I'm going to show you the ins and outs of this business. We're going to show you in this video where our guys come in and out of, and we're going to go have a company meeting with our office staff, the production team, and sales, etc. But stick around to the end of the video. You're not going to want to miss any of this. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn the notification bell. Let's get the show on the road.
Do it all, boys.
Get it done.
Welcome to the Outdoor Hustle. Like that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Outdoor Hustle. This is what $2,500 in basically just Milwaukee tools looks like. Got some stuff for the pool crew, some upgrades, a couple grinders, hammer drill, impact and drill, a bunch of batteries, drill bits, impact set. It's not as much as it like you would think it. This is actually for the masonry crew. A little cutout tool to get the mortar out of the joints. $2,500 doesn't get you crazy much in tools, does it? I mean, it is a lot, but like, I mean, also, if you buy this by itself, how much is this, John?
$200.
I mean, that's $200 by itself. Like,
honestly, I feel like they're selling you the tool just so you buy the battery.
Literally, I feel like
basically free.
Milwaukee's in a battery business, you know what I mean? They just get you on that. So, 2 shot backs, we'll use them. A lot of it can 50-50 on masonry projects and pool projects. So, got some new upgrades. I'm done. That's all I got.
I'm just awkwardly standing there like.
What else you want, man? So Milwaukee, sponsor us, okay? That's all I got.
A better pitch than that.
Yeah, I was thinking of a good pitch. I didn't really have a pitch. Hold on, let me think.
You got it.
Milwaukee, if you don't sponsor us, I'm going to Ryobi. No, I'm just kidding. It's like, well, why don't I just give you free stuff? Because then you're not going to buy from me anyway. You know what I mean? Brandon, I ain't got nothing else, dude, okay? That's it.
Keep rolling. He'll cook us.
Video's done.
Getting awkward.
Yeah, you get him awkward now. You'll spit something good out. Just
No, it's crazy that it still makes us happy to buy tools even though we don't even get to use them. That's just fun, you know?
Yeah.
It's Christmas, like you said. You know what subconsciously it does for me, truthfully? I always think like, oh, I'll have a chance to use this tool whenever I need it. I never do that. I always end up going to buy it personally, or, you know, I still never get to touch the damn tools. It's in somebody's truck, or it's on a job site, or I need it on the weekend. I'm like, I'm not driving all the way back to the shop. Law's gonna eat this up. Check Snapchat tonight, guys. Law's, check his story. He'll be up, you know what I mean? You'll see this on laws.com.
Yeah, he's gonna be writing his name on it, doing one of those unboxing videos, all that.
Yeah, like a Sheen, a try-on haul or some bullshit that Miranda watches. Now you guys seen all these tools. We gotta go put them out in the barn outside. I'll show you guys a little shop tour. Little yard tour, I should say, even. Kind of how we do things up there. Let's go check it out. We got an old crappy house that we're renovating into an office. All the parking's out front, ripped out the grass, put gravel down so we can park. Walk around here, it's 4 acres roughly. Long gravel driveway to get to the backside where everybody comes in and out every day. You got salesmen that don't sell many jobs, they park here. Just kidding, that's James, he kills it. But yeah, so you pull it off the road, come in here. A couple new dump trailers that we've just bought. We bought 4 total. There's 2 of them right there. I think one of them at least is on the job right now. I mean, if you can't tell by the ground, we're lucky to even have anybody working. We got the deck crews out, 2 deck crews out working right now. And we got a couple guys out doing some grading. And then we had a guy here earlier hauling out some junk. Other than that, most of our guys are at home right now. I mean, there's nothing to do. Like, I mean, there's puddles of mud everywhere. So got the dumpster, of course, you need that. You can't be dumping garbage. This ain't a garbage site, you know? So right here is one big tent. I'm not gonna even call it a garage or a barn. This is a tent, man. This isn't nothing special. This is something we slapped together to keep tools dry. So these guys put the damn picture of me on the wall. I did not do that, okay? They did that shit. That's some bullshit, but whatever. Yeah, I mean, simple. I mean, sometimes the basics is all you need. Skids on the wall, keep shovels and stuff in there. Most of everything we have is on trucks most of the time, besides like bigger stuff, some plate compactors, heaters. Trailer needs work done, that's why it's in here right now. Some wiring issues on it, easy fixes, blowers, hedge trimmers, weed eaters, nice big sod cutter. You know, just the basic stuff, some generators, concrete mixer, all your oils and all that stuff, just the basics, man, nothing crazy in here. Keep stuff out of the dry, your pull forms, Z-forms and everything. You know, a couple sets of tires still left over to go on some of the vehicles. We got a cool little deal from one of our guys, one of our connections, and we bought like vehicles for like, we bought tires for like 7 or 8 vehicles and got a really good deal on all brand new stuff. Coming out here, you know, just to give you like a little recap too, like, this tree to this barn right here was just woods all the way back. And we have just constantly cleared it and dumped to level it out. So this has been going on for years and years now. One of our dump trucks, 2016 F350 with the strap. That's extra from the factory. You gotta ask for that package, but you know, not to flex on you guys or nothing, but some equipment parked up. Obviously you can see guys dumping, building up. One of the trucks, trailer. We got the big F750 out on the job. One of our other dump trucks is in the shop. The dually's out right now, pulling a trailer. Some other F-150s and stuff are out. Yeah, it looks like one of the dump trailers are gone today because there's a third one right there. We have 4, so one of them's gone working. Yeah, this is it, muddy mess, but this is where we dump. We've been dumping. Everywhere we're standing right now is built up. Basically spoils from job sites we tear out. Paver patios, concrete projects, decks. Decks we gotta bring here and haul out, or sometimes we'll start a little fire if it's good enough to burn or whatever, if it's safe to burn, you know, so. And then, you know, landscape debris, all of that we can dump. And it turns into this over time. If you could come over here and see, I don't know how well the camera will pick this up, but if you come stand right here with me, this is built up like 30 feet. So we've definitely put in the work over some years to build this place up, which is pretty cool. Our goal is to get the exit. So we have the entrance on that long driveway. Our goal is to get the exit around the other side of the office and basically have one big in and out. We got John doing something right now, working with the pack out, probably getting Lazar's tools set up. You know, he's got a pack out in the bed of this truck, right?
Does he?
Yeah.
That's the one that he said leaked.
Oh.
Yeah, he said it got all his tools wet.
How is it? I don't understand that.
I don't know.
Well, that goes on, they pack together too, obviously, hence the name. Well, I mean, that's the gist of things right here. We just got our 3rd fuel tank dropped off. So we got on-road diesel, off-road diesel, and gasoline, which is pretty cool. That's just a game changer. And if you have 30 guys coming in and out of here every day and they have to go to a gas station or something, that'd be crazy. We made that change back in 2024 when we had all that going on. And ever since then, man, so much more efficient. You know, people come here. We try to tell the guys to do it, fill up at nighttime, but we're not too harsh on them about that. Whatever makes sense, because if they get back a little late, we're not, just get out, get it home. This is what we're slowly building, using the area up. All 4 acres will eventually be used up. Right on the other side of that white barn where you can see that we dug out where those 2 dump trailers were sitting. Our goal is we're digging that out because we're gonna build a big shop one day. We're just digging it out, letting it settle a little bit. So now that you guys see that, I'm gonna go inside. I still have to call that customer, see if I can close that job up from the last video. And then if I have time, otherwise before that, we might do a meeting first. So we have a company meeting today, just on the office side of things, you know, production team, etc., meeting up together. We do a once a month meeting with everybody, and then weekly we have a sales meeting and a production meeting separate. Weekly there's 2 different meetings that me and Andres are involved in, and then monthly everybody's involved together. Kind of keeps that camaraderie going, etc. So back to full swing of things. It's March, baby. I think this year's gonna be our biggest and best year. At the end of the day, that's what matters, right? Keep growing, keep being efficient, make sure you're profitable. Don't just work just to work. Don't give yourself a job that doesn't even pay as good as working a job for somebody else. That doesn't make any sense, right? So if you're gonna build a business, do it the right way. Don't try to be showboating. Don't build a vanity business. where it's all for show, you know? Kind of when we're starting out, our egos got in the way. Not got in the way, but they're, you know, your egos are definitely getting filled up when everybody's like, oh, look what you're doing, this, that, and the other. At the end of the day, you know what matters? The bank account. You know, is everybody happy? Are your employees happy? Are you happy? Is your family happy? That's what matters. So definitely came into 2025 with a different mindset like that. In 2026, same thing, keep pushing that agenda, and it's really starting to make sense nowadays. So think about the profits. That's what the heartbeat of a company is, and thinking about your happiness at the end of the day, and everybody around you is happiness, the team, that's what matters. Speaking of the team, let's go meet with them and see what's going on for this month. It's an Aborigine, John Walsh, washing the pack out. What are you doing, checking if it leaks, bud?
I'm trying to get him a clean pack out, so I don't hand him a dirty one.
Touche.
You know he won't like that.
Some people care around here, you know? Easy, dude.
Go ahead.
Getting the pack outs together for the guys out there, for the pool crew, for Laz, getting his tools in a good spot to where he has everything he needs for the pools and pools only. Right now we're having a company meeting. We're basically discussing what's going on for the month, although it is the first one back officially for 2026. It's the March meeting, because January, February, you're basically meeting every day because there's not a lot of production going on. So this meeting is basically about production back up fully and running, what's going on upcoming in the next few weeks for job sites, anything specific that might put a damper on things. Is there any potential problems coming up? Financial forecasts to a degree. How are the sales looking? Any issues with the production team on the back end, like anything they need? I know at one point John and Miranda on the production side was chatting with the sales side about how they wanted some of their drawings to be a little bit more detailed, so we discussed that a little bit. It's important to have meetings like this with your team to keep everybody on the same page. Even if it doesn't revolve around that person, it's still good for the team on the back end to all get together at least one time a month. And basically it tells everybody how they can be better, what they're doing that's already great. It keeps you one team, keeps you united. The camaraderie levels keep going up and up. When we meet like that, we tell people, hey, good job, great job on the sales side. Hey, production, you're killing it, great communication. You know, we talk about the Google reviews. We're talking about all these things, and it's important to hear about that, because every day you can get lost when a sales guy's just doing appointment after an appointment, and production's just doing job after job, pouring concrete, digging pools, and they're just going 1,000 miles an hour. You kind of forget some of the bigger picture stuff that Andreas and I always have to focus on. So we like to come in once a month and discuss those things that we always focus on, and a little bit hear from the team as well with their, whether it's numbers, analytics, or just ideas and thoughts. We want to hear all that, the good, bad, the ugly, and that's what we do once a month, give people a voice at the table to hear everything that's going on. Sales are starting to pick up. That's one big thing we're talking about. And we're getting more sales team members to come in. We got another sales guy starting on Monday, because Andreas and I still have to do sales right now to keep up with all the appointments that we're getting. And with that being said, I'm gonna end this meeting now, go walk into my office and see if I can close up that job that I showed you in the last video for the landscape project on an existing customer. All right, guys, I got the bid done for that landscape project that you've seen on that last episode. Here's the design actually too, if you guys want to check it out. Can you see this? So nice landscape all the way around the deck. Pretty cool little project. We're gonna see if we can close them up. Talk some numbers here. We'll call the customer. Again, it's pretty hot. It's pretty expensive. Like, I don't want to say the word expensive because it's never expensive if we're doing it. You're paying the right price, but it's just, you know, I guess it could be a sticker shock kind of product or kind of install, but who knows? We'll see. We'll call. I mean, but it's a lot of plants, a lot of mature plants. We're not coming in and installing Home Depot plants. That's what you have to tell most customers when it comes to landscape. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Give him a call and see what he says about this. What's up, sir? How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Okay, perfect. What do you think about that design? Did you get a chance to look at it real quick?
Yeah, I think what I would like, I like the layout and idea. Ultimately, it's the wife's stamp of approval.
Of course, yeah.
And I was curious, I had two of those on the deck that you had, I think the deck was down. We had two of those where there used to be a pool level deck. And those things, if you don't keep chopping them, those things will, like, well, I guess the neighbors that you saw, they can.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They can get up. I mean, 15 plus foot. But I mean, like you just said, you could chop them up. We have one out front of our office here that it's been planted for 3-4 years now, and it hasn't even. And it was planted at 5 foot, and it's still 5 foot. And all I did was cut off the new top, like maybe once every year and a half. So maybe twice we've done that.
Yeah, yeah. I guarantee the wife's going to like this because she had mentioned about some privacy.
And that was my thought. That's why I put them where I put them, like in the corner. Like that way I kept the middle kind of open so you can still look over the railing and kind of just see your backyard. But then in the corners where it feels like the backyards of the other houses are really kind of staring at you, I kind of put those in that spot, and then one on each side of the staircase there. And then we have 2 in the corner of the bed. And that's just to accent all the other ones because you don't want to just have it kind of, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And the stepping stones, are those natural rocks or is those?
Yeah, that's going to be real natural stones that we're going to pull. We'll probably do bluestone stepping stones, like, so they're real nice, high quality, stones. They're not going to be like manufactured Home Depot squares of concrete.
So it looks good. I appreciate you putting that together for me.
Absolutely, man. Just let me know when you're ready to go and we'll get it knocked out for you, okay, brother?
All right, sounds great.
Thanks
Perfect.
again for calling us again, and hopefully we can take care of this for you.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Pretty sure we close that up. You just gotta talk to the wife. You know how that goes, and I gotta do the same thing in my house. So talk to the wife, close that up. Pretty good price, to be honest, for what he's getting. It just, like I said, it's a sticker shock when it comes to landscape. Landscape is like, I can go to Home Depot and get plants for $25, and I can mulch it with some mulch bags. Well, this is not that. It's a decent amount of landscape around his deck. Really cool design, 30-something plants. So I know I said it sounds like it's not a lot, but that is a decent amount of plants. And hell, I think almost 10 of those are like 5-foot tall arborvitaes. So pretty cool. I think we locked it up. Let's keep the day rolling on. Thank you guys again for watching The Outdoor Hustle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment down below. Let us know what you guys want to see on the next video or any future content at all so we can give you exactly what you want. On the next video, we'll go visit some more job sites. We'll see you guys there. Goodbye.
Bang.